welcome back to my channel. I am Lynn, and in this video I'm going to be talking about skincare and listening to your body. Recently I switched up my skincare routine. I decided to invest in a cleanser instead of using bar soap. I do plan on switching up my cleanser again because I feel like the one I currently use don't do nothing. Like, I still, like, my face be clean, but it's just like the product is weird. I've also invested in some moisturizers. I'm switched up the type of brand of vitamin C moisturizer that I use, so I'm currently trying that one out, seeing how that goes. I decided to look more into my skin. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have discoloration. Can't really see that good, but I do have discoloration. I do have light spots on my skin. And they also get kind of dry, so I don't know if it's the weather changing, me not getting that much sun. I don't know what it is. My mom said it could be eczema. They do kind of come off like eczema though. So with that, I just constantly like do oils because it flakes up real badly, and you can see it like all in my makeup as well when I do my makeup. So for my discoloration, I use this custom concealer from Black Radiance. It's very thick. I just pat it with my finger and just dab it in certain spots. Right now on my skin, I have a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer. The lighting could be messing around with it, but I just put the skin tint moisturizer on just to give me some type of coverage. And especially since I have the dry spots, I don't want nothing too heavy on my skin, especially since the weather is currently changing with my makeup. But that's the only skin issue that I kind of have currently. I did feel some type of way about it when I first seen it pop up, because it's like it's just like little Dalmatian spots. I don't know what it could be. I don't know if it's the water. I didn't change my water filter. I don't drink more water. I wash my pillows. I don't really put my phone up to my face like that. So I don't know what it is. So recently I had a dream that my skin broke out. I had a dream that my skin broke out. So that could be me kind of being nervous about how my skincare routine is going to go now that I switched everything up around the same time. So I don't know how my skin is going to react. I haven't had no breakouts. As you can see, like, I have no breakouts. Like, my face still looks the same. So I decided to look it up, like, what could this mean? I'm a person that looks up my dreams, so we're gonna see what it's talking about. Okay, so it says that it can suggest a period of where you are not confident about who you are, you feel insecure about how you appear, and uncomfortable in the overall situation. They ain't had to drag me like that, okay? Now, being insecure about how you appear, that's accurate because of my skin and trying to figure out what's going on with my skin and whatnot. I will go to a dermatologist soon, so I can see that. I've been working out lately, so that could be something as well, because, you know, everybody, wait till your body. You're very protective of your body. Now, talking about being uncomfortable and not being confident in situations, I feel that that's accurate as well. I recently finished college, and I do have post-graduation blues, like, what's next, what's next, what's next? Even though I've gained all these skills and I went and got this education, I'm like, what's next? Like, what do I want to do? Do I want to start a business? Do I want to, you know, or be an employee? So it's just a lot of things up in the air. I do need to make a decision soon because I got a baby, okay? I got a child. So, and also being a single mom, like, your anxiety is constantly high when it comes down to your child or whatnot. So I'm trying to reduce stress. I've recently been doing yoga, so I'm going to see how my body reacts to the yoga, getting 8 hours of sleep, of course drinking my water. I do eat more healthy, so I might have to start eliminating foods healthy foods. It's probably the mushrooms. Okay, I love mushrooms or not. So I probably need to eliminate and reintroduce my body to certain foods and stuff because it's talking to me. It's like, hey girl, whatever you're doing, we don't like that. Okay, but other than that, everything has been the same. So I know I had some type of little seaweed flakes thing, so that's probably could be what's messing with my skin currently. But listen to your body, okay? It's talking to you. Now your dreams could be talking about something totally different else, but they kind of relate to each other, okay? I haven't had any dreams about my hair though, so I'm confident in that area. But thank you for watching this video. You know, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe if you enjoy it. You know, if you know somebody that enjoys it or probably would enjoy it, share it. So I will see you in the next video.